Red meat has been linked to numerous negative health outcomes, making it a controversial topic in the world of nutrition. The main reason why red meat is harmful to the body is due to its high levels of saturated fat and cholesterol. When consumed in excess, these components can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other chronic health conditions. Saturated fat and cholesterol. Red meat is a significant source of saturated fat, which is a type of fat that can raise levels of LDL or bad cholesterol. LDL cholesterol can contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. In addition to its high levels of saturated fat, red meat is also high in dietary cholesterol. Consuming too much cholesterol can further increase LDL cholesterol levels in the body. Research has consistently found a link between high consumption of red meat and an increased risk of heart disease. One study found that participants who consumed the most red meat had a 42% higher risk of developing coronary heart disease, compared to those who consumed the least. Similarly, a meta-analysis of 20 studies found that individuals who consumed the highest amounts of red meat had a 29% higher risk of developing coronary heart disease, compared to those who consumed the least. Cancer risk. Another reason why red meat is harmful to the body is its link to cancer risk. Research has found that consuming red meat, particularly processed red meat, is associated with an increased risk of certain types of cancer, including colon, rectal, and prostate cancer. One possible explanation for this link is the presence of heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, in cooked red meat. HCAs and PAHs are chemicals that are formed when meat is cooked at high temperatures, such as through grilling or broiling. These chemicals have been shown to cause changes in DNA that can increase the risk of cancer. In addition to HCAs and PAHs, processed red meat contains nitrites and nitrates, which are preservatives that have been linked to cancer. These compounds can react with other chemicals in the body to form nitrosamines, which are known to be carcinogenic. Other negative health outcomes. In addition to its links to heart disease and cancer, consuming red meat has also been associated with other negative health outcomes. For example, research has found that high consumption of red meat is associated with an increased risk of type 2 diabetes and premature death. One reason why red meat may increase the risk of type 2 diabetes is due to its high levels of heme iron. Heme iron is a type of iron that is found in red meat and is more easily absorbed by the body than non-heme iron, which is found in plant-based foods. Excessive intake of heme iron can lead to oxidative stress, which can damage cells and contribute to the development of type 2 diabetes. Moreover, consuming red meat has been associated with an increased risk of premature death. One large study found that individuals who consumed the most red meat had a 23% higher risk of premature death compared to those who consumed the least.